Hello, in this video I will be showing how to prepare a Pear Deck presentation. First you need to go to peardeck.com, then click Teacher Login. Then you need to sign in. Pear Deck is an online presentation tool where you can prepare your presentations and access them anywhere online. So these are some of my work, and I will be showing you how to create a new deck. First of all, it's like PowerPoint slides, so you add as the first slide, and then you can put a title, for example, torque. You can also name it, your presentation. On the left side, you will see your presentations slides. You can add more slides. You can choose different options through here. Okay, or you can click on this to remove or duplicate the present slide. On the middle section, you have the projector preview. That means this part will be on your projector. On the right side, this is the student preview, which means the students what the students will see. So let's start with the presentation. So let's say we want to put an image. So you may download some pictures, search some pictures before and download them to your computer. Then upload them to Pear Deck. And as you see, it's there. Or you can always duplicate the same slide. Okay, and let's say we want to add some text. You can do this as well. You can put some items. Okay, for example, let's say like this, and you can put enter each time so it will appear anywhere. Or you can add a YouTube video. You can either search on YouTube by going to YouTube, okay, or you can search for a video through the Pear Deck. For example, let's search some videos about that. And let's say you want to put this one. Okay, and as you see, the students will see this one. Let's add another slide. On the right side, you can choose the type of the slide. Let's say you show the first slide, the video, and then you want to ask a question about it. So you can either choose a multiple choice slide or free response. And there are two versions, text and numbers. Let's say you want to ask a question in multiple choice type. Then you put your and ask your question over here, of course. So what is put the options. You can choose what will be the answers. So for example, it is the picture. Support. You can add even more. Or you can ask a free response text. Mostly I prefer this because I want to see what the students think about it. So okay, so I choose a text, and you can either put a paragraph like for longer answers or a short one. And as you see, this is what the students will see. or you can choose a number, so the students will put, you can enter a number, not a text. So let's say, since I asked about the fulcrum, so let's put a text. Okay. These are pretty much the features of Pear Deck, and it has a premium version and it allows you to do, it has some more features, but the free version is good. And if you want to, after you are done preparing your presentation, you can start presenting. But I want to show you a different example. So click over here and there are some other options here. But I want to go to my drive and open the one I prepared previously. So this is my Google Drive and I'm using my school account. So this is the search, but I will go to my drive, and on your, when you are logged in, you will see a folder about Pear Deck. So you go there and the decks. So these are the ones I created previously. So I will use this one. We recently worked with my students. And after that you open it. We to open with the Pear Deck. Okay, you choose the Pear Deck. Okay, yes, as you see, this is prepared. Okay, I've even put some pictures with it, the experiment, and I want to get their attention at the first, so I use this picture. Anyway, so after you are done, you want to start presenting. You click on the start presenting, and then your students needs to join this session. So after you started, you open projector view, and then you present this on the projector. The students needs to go to the peardeck.com/join, then put this code. So I'm gonna show this with with another web browser. So for example, I will put this, okay, and let's say this is the student, okay. So I'm going to use another account of mine to show how the students will see. Okay. After your students log in, they need to put the code. So this takes some time. So you may want to put the code on the board. You may want to write it down on the board and show something else while you are waiting. You can put, I put some pictures of the experiment to remind them what we have done before. So while waiting for everyone to log in, you may show some other stuff. Anyway, after that, the one on the left, this is my presentation, the one the students will see on the projector, and on the right, the students will see in on their device. So after, and as you see over here, it shows me how many students has joined. So I'm the only one joined in this session. So with your keyboard, you can start showing the start your presentation. So as you see, I show the picture on the projector, but the students will see the question. So make sure that students are checking the projector because it may be different. And let's say, let's answer here, and this is a short answer. What was it about? Remember the experiment. Let's say it was about torque. Okay, and the students send it, and they can send a different answer, balance. So then you can show the students' responses on the projector. As you see, the first answer is scratched out, and the next one. So if they made a mistake, they can even change their answer. But they will both be on they will be both on the projector screen. And it doesn't show the students' names, so it is safe for them. And you can also lock the student responses, so they cannot respond anymore. and then hide the student responses, and then continue. You can ask again the question or ask a different question. Okay. And then next slide. Then we talk about torque, for example, and I show them a picture like this, and they see the same, so you can do some explanation. The next one, you can ask a question about the picture or the summary, and again add a short answer. Another one, and I put a picture, a real life example of this concept. Another one, and then you can ask a question again about the picture. So, and you may also ask a multiple choice question, as you see over here, and then when you choose it, okay, over there, students, you may see the student answer. So you see how many students answer which one. Okay. Yeah, so then if there are more students choose this one, you will see more circles. Okay. And then you can again log this. Another example of torque. And now you may also show a video, and this is gonna be on the projector screen. After the video, you need to click on the screen. Okay, another video, and this is supposed to be a website actually, but it didn't work because the website is supposed to be have some it's supposed to be safe, so so that's why the students, they cannot see over there. As you see, it seems it's not have some credentials. So but since you can do like this, so I deleted this part, and then I'd like them to see it like this, but so you need to be aware of this and then choose a different link. Okay, I want to show and another picture, question, more questions, and black holes. So this website, as you see, it is working because the website has the enough security options, so it shows that to the students, so they can read about the black holes, for example, and then later on you can do a class discussion. You can ask more questions with the presentation. Okay, and there are some questions for response, and that's the end of my presentation about Pear Deck. I believe this is a good tool. I just started using this, and I got some good feedback from my students, and thank you for watching.